eggs in the air fryer. Instead of boiling them in the pot on the stove with water like we've always done, tonight we're putting them in the air fryer. I've seen that you can do that, and I'm going to see if it works. This is our first time ever trying it, so y'all come on and we'll figure out if it works or if it don't. Let's get started. Let's make some egg salad, and we're trying something new tonight. If y'all have cooked eggs like this before, comment down below. Do you think they'll turn out? We're fixing to see. This is cooking eggs with no water. Okay, we're going to cut it on. We're going to put the heat on 300. And we're going to bring the time down to 11 minutes. And see if they're easy to peel. And if they get all the way done. Okay, they've turned off, so now we're going to put them in some ice water just like you do when you boil them on the stove. Okay, we're going to let them cool off for a minute, and then we're going to see if they're easy to peel. We're going to let them chill for around 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and we'll start with the one that actually got a little crack in it, and it's all the way around that egg. So let's see if it'll peel. Coming off pretty easy. Now that right there is easy. You didn't even have to turn the stove on. Get your water, let it come to a boil. Now we'll do this one that didn't crack at all and see how easy it peels. I could have cut my time down to like 8 minutes, because if you notice, it did get a little brown. But I was just making sure I went with that, but to make sure I got the egg done all the way. Because I've never done it this way. I wanted to try it. Peeling pretty easy, especially to be a fresh egg. Now I bet if you had some like eggs you bought at Walmart, if you buy them, they would peel even easier than these. These are fresh eggs. But that's pretty easy for a fresh egg. Next time I think I'll cut the time to 8 minutes and try it. And that way my white of my egg don't get a little brown on different little spots. That's probably where it was actually sitting on the air fryer pan. Okay, we've got them peeled. Now let's cut one and see what it looks like on the inside. Look at that, y'all. You can cook an egg in the air fryer. They're done. They're soft. Look what, 10 minutes done on 300 in an air fryer. An easy way to do some eggs if you're in a hurry. Or even if you wanted to go, like, say, camping, you could take your air fryer with you and cook your eggs in the campground. Okay, y'all, this is just going to be a simple egg salad. We're going to use avocado mayonnaise. And we like dill relish in ours, or you could use sweet relish, whichever one you like. Some black pepper. A little salt. Now we've got some purple and green onion diced up. We're going to put them in our egg salad. And now we're just going to give it a mix. This right here is just a simple, easy egg salad recipe. If you're from the South, you know what egg salad is. It's just a simple way to use your eggs up. This would be great to eat with your main dish, or even on a piece of romaine lettuce, or in a loaf of bread. A lot of people eat egg salad sandwiches down here in the South. We cooked in the air fryer. It's easy and simple. I hope y'all give it a go. Okay, y'all, I guess we learned something new today. You can cook eggs in an air fryer, and they do peel pretty easy. I never knew this before, so this is something that's new to us, and we thought we'd share it with y'all. I hope you like our video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And this right here, we cooked in the air fryer. It's easy and simple. I hope y'all give it a try.